I'd like to welcome all you to the International Player Haters Ball. Oh man, hey, 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 hey.
Spicy like cayenne. But y'all see what we're doing, man. Love the truck, love the new design. Love the garden yard. Coach TC Taylor. It's just like TC. He didn't really put his face on it. You know what I mean? Now our previous coach he is an NFL Hall of Famer, so it worked. Love the actual navy with the red accents, bro. I love the triple stripe, right? See right here? Got that Peterbilt, got that red and white triple stripe. That made Zoe proud right there, man. You got that look like the helmet, man. So all you needed was a red face mask. Boy, if that grill would have been red, boy, it would have been special. But you got the Jackson State tag on the front. I love it, man. I love it. You got the Hall of Famers being highlighted. Shout out to KLLM Transportation, KLLM Transport Services for the amazing rig, man. It's gonna look real good, TD, going down the highway, bro. It's gonna look real good. Shout out to everybody that came out today. Appreciate everybody for always tuning in to KC 1400 live GSU Sports Chat, and we're gonna keep it going, man. Keep it going. Continue to support. Let's continue to collaborate. Let's continue to fundraise and do everything we can, man, to support our GSU Tigers, man. So it's always I love Go Tigers, baby.